Good morning, students. Welcome to another basic concepts in mathematics geometry under the subtopic Pythagoras rules. One of the best known mathematical formulas is Pythagoras theorem or Pythagoras rule, which provides us with the relationship between the sides in a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle consists of two legs and a hypotenuse. You can see this is a right angle triangle. We have this side to be A, this is B, and the longest side is C. Okay, the two legs meet at a 90 degrees angle, and the hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle. The Pythagoras rule tells us that in every right angle triangle, A square plus B square will equal to C square. That is, the size of the hypotenuse, the square of the hypotenuse will be equal to the sum of the two adjacent sides, which is A square plus B square. So we'll have these formulas. Example 1. Find C in the figure below. This right angle triangle happens side 4, 6, and C. This will give you C square equals to C square plus 4 square. C square means 6 times 6, which is 36. 4 square means 4 times 4, which is 16. 36 plus 16 will give you 52. C will be equal to square root of 52, which is approximately 7.2. Example 2 is extracted from exercise 17b of New General Mathematics for JSS 2. The question is ABC is a triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees. In each of these, draw and label a sketch. Roman figure 2. Then calculate the length of third side of the triangle. AB equals to 6 meter, BC equals to 8 meter, AB equals to 9 centimeter, BC is equals to 12 centimeter. Let's look at the solution. First one, you have AB to be 6 meter, BC to be 8 meter, and our 8 we have been asked to calculate for 8. So we'll give AC a name, which is K. AC equals to K. So K square will be equal to A square plus A square. A square means 8 times 8, which is 64. C square means 6 times 6, which is 36. So 64 plus 36 will give you 100. K will be equal to square root of 100, which is 10 meter. Let's look at B. AB is given to be 9 centimeter, BC is given to be 12 centimeter, our AC is not given. So let's give our AC a name to be arrow. So arrow square will be equal to 12 square plus 9 square. 12 square means 12 times 12, which is 144. 9 square means 9 times 9, which is 81. So arrow square will be equal to 144 plus 81, which is 225. To get arrow, we'll square both sides. So arrow will be equal to square root of 225, which is 15 centimeter. Example 3. This is extracted from exercise 17b of New General Mathematics for JSS 2. Find the value of s in each of these figures. It will be necessary to find a value for y squared before finding x. All measurements are in centimeter. You can see the figure given to you. A is this. So to get our y square, let's select. You have two triangles here. This is 1 and 2. So we'll select the triangle having side 15, 9, and y. So our y square will be the longest side, 15 square minus 9 square. 15 square means 225. That is 15 times 15. 9 square means 9 times 9, which is 81. So 225 minus 81 will give you 144. That is your y square. This is y square. Y side will give you this. So to get our s will be y square plus 5 square. X square is equal to y square plus 5 square. While y square we calculated it to be 144. X square will be equal to 144 plus 25, which will give you 169. So to get s, we'll square both sides, which is s equals to square root of 169, and that will give you 13. Let's consider B. B, you also have two triangles where you have side 13, 12, y, and another triangle you have y, x, and 4. So let's select the first one having sides 13, y, and 12. So you have 13 square is equal to y square plus 12 square. 13 square minus 12 square will give you y square. 13 square means 13 times 13, which is 169. 12 square means 12 times 12, which is 144. So 169 minus 144 will give you 25. That is y square. So let's calculate the second triangle, which is s, y, and 4. So here you are going to have s square is equal to y square minus 4 square. And we calculate our y square to be 25. So s square will be 25 minus 16, which is 9. To get our s, we'll square both sides, which will be what? Square root of 9. And that square root of 9 will give you 3. So let's look at example 4. This is extracted from New Concept Mathematics for JSS 2. Find the values for the labeled size in the figures below. You can see this. Okay, to get you have two triangles here, ys 8, 6, 4, and s. So first of all, calculate for s, because here you have size 6 and another one 4. So we can calculate for s square. S square now will give you 4 square plus 6 square. Okay, 4 square means 4 times 4, which is 16. 6 square means 6 times 6, which is 36. So 16 plus 36 will give you 52. S is equal to square root of 52, which is approximately 7.2. So we succeeded in calculating our value of x to be 7.2. So we can calculate for y. Y will be equal to what? S square. Y is going to give you what? A square minus s square. Okay, look at it. Y square is equal to 64 minus 52. Note that we'll calculate our s square to be 52. Okay, so 64 minus 52 will give you 12. Y will be square root of 12, which is approximately 3.5. Let's look at this b. B also have two triangles where you have y 5.5 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Okay, our y square will be 5.5 square centimeter plus you add this 5 and 2 together. 5 plus 2 will give you 7. This will be the side of this. So you have this 5.5 square will give you 30.25. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 square will give you 49. So 30.25 plus 49 will give you 79.25. So our y square is 79.25. Square root of 79.25 will give you 8.7. That is the value of y. Okay, so let's calculate for our x. Our x now will select this triangle where you have s 5.5 and 2. So you are going to have 5.5 square minus 2 square, which will give you 30.25 minus 4, and that is 26.25. Our s now will be approximately 5.1. Pythagoras triples. When any three whole numbers a, b, and c satisfy the rule c square equals to a square plus b square, they are said to form a Pythagorean triple. Examples of Pythagorean triples include 3, 4, 5. That is the first two, 3 square root of 3. Okay, 3 square plus 4 square will be equal to 5 square. 5 square plus 12 square will be equal to 13 square. That is what is called Pythagoras triple. Example, this is extracted from exercise 17C of New General Mathematics. Find out which of these are Pythagorean triples. You have 20, 21, 29, this B, C, and E. So let's calculate for A. Using the table of squares on page 232 of New General Mathematics for JSS 2, 20 square plus 21 square will give you 400 plus 441. 20 square means 20 times 20, which is 400. 21 square means 21 times 21, which is 441. So 400 plus 441 will give you 841. 29 square is also equals to 841. Therefore, 20 square plus 21 square will give you 29 square. So this is a Pythagorean triple. Let's look at B, where you have 15, 22, and 27. You calculate this also you see that 15 square plus 22 square will not give you the 27 square. 15 square plus 22 square will give you 709, but 27 square will give you 729. So 15 square plus 22 square will not give you 27 square, therefore it's not a Pythagoras triple. They see you have 28, 45, and 53. 28 square plus 45 square is equals to 2009. 53 square is 2809. Therefore, 28 plus 45 square, that is 28 square plus 45 square is equals to 53 square. This is a Pythagoras triple. Let's look at D, the last one. 20 square plus 22 square is 884. 26 square is 672. Therefore, 20 square plus 22 square is not equal to 26 square. Therefore, this is not a Pythagorean triple. Applications of Pythagoras rules to real-life problem. Pythagoras rule can be used to solve problems related to real-life situation. When such questions are given, it is advisable to sketch the diagram before solving the problem. Example: this is extracted from exercise 19.3 of New Concept Mathematics for JSS 2. A boy circles 8 km due east and then 15 km to the south. Find his distance from the starting point. A boy circles 8 km due east. Look at this, due east. This is your south. From 0 to S is south, which is 15 kilometer. Okay, 15 kilometer due south. This is the height, and the breadth is 8 kilometers. So you are looking for your S. This is the distance from the starting point. So your S square will be equal to 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square is 225, 8 square is 64. 225 plus 64 will give you 289. S will be equal to square root of 289, which is 17 kilometer. Okay. Next one is assignment quiz. It's going to be posted on Google Classroom for you. I will advise you to go through exercises in your textbook, study them, and improve yourself. Thank you very much for your audience.